Today I'm going to brighten up my kitchen with some LED motion sensor lights. These can brighten up any bathroom, kitchen, or even some workspaces, as I'll show you. This is what our kitchen looks like now without the under cabinet lighting. So in each package, you're going to get 3 individual lights, and along with them come 3 extra batteries and a charging port. So you're really never going to be without light when you're not charging. Now, these batteries snap off the ends very easily, and there's 2 little triangles, so you really can't make a mistake when you're connecting the battery. The other thing I really like is how easy they are to install. See these metal clips? There's 2 for each light, so they magnetically stick to the back. So the easiest way to install them is to just leave the metal on, peel off the adhesive strip, and then stick them wherever you want them. Very easy. Now, in order to operate the light, it's very simple. You have an off setting. You have a motion sensor for at night. You have a motion sensor for daytime. And then if you want the lights on all the time, you can just put it all the way to the left. Once installed, the under cabinet lighting completely changes the dynamic of the room. Another feature I really like is if you have to do some work in a dark garage, since they're magnetic, you can stick it right where you need it, and if you need to work on your car or in any dark area.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.